KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this one pan Greek style chicken and rice. Really tasty and very simple to do. Alright, let's get on with it. First thing I've got is some Greek seasoning. I'm just going to put that into a bowl just like that, and you can just buy that from your local supermarket. And I'm going to add in around about a cup's worth in total of some Greek salad dressing. I just bought from the supermarket. It's going to make up a really tasty marinade, and you'll get those nice little lemony flavours and the oregano and everything else that goes in with it. Now I'm going to use some chicken Marylands. You could use a whole chicken if you want to. You can butterfly that. I'll leave that up to you. You can even use drumsticks. Alright, so I'm just going to put that into the bowl just like that, and we're going to have to turn that chicken around a little bit and get it all nicely coated with our marinade. And I'm going to leave that for around about 1 to 2 hours. I'll leave that up to you, as however long you want to let that marinade for. Alright, it looks like a pretty light marinade. Don't worry, we're going to fix that. 2 cups of basmati rice that we have nicely washed under the some cold water. Get rid of any of those little bits of impurities, and all we simply have to do now is get that into a nice even layer in an oven dish like I'm doing right there. Now my oven is already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. Now lay your chicken out on top of the rice just like that. Very simple, and this is got to be the most easy dish that I've put up on the channel yet, and it is incredibly tasty. So just arrange your bits of chicken so they all sort of end up really fairly evenly across, just like that. Now I'm not going to waste that marinade either. It has got lots of yumness to it. Now I'm going to add in 1 litre of prepared chicken stock. Just pour that over the rice. Don't try and wash off any of that marinade that we have on top of those pieces of chicken. Now just add that all the way through like that. Really nice and easy. And if you haven't tried doing a one dish bake before, you don't know what you're missing. It is so easy to do. I'm going to spoon some of that marinade over all the rest of our chicken. I'm not going to waste any of that because, as I said, it is full of yumness and tastiness. Alright, so just pour that over like that, and if you want to add a little bit more Greek seasoning to the top of the chicken, you most certainly can. Don't skimp on that because the flavors just work. Okay, so there's our chicken, our rice, we've got our stock. That's going into the oven for around about 40 minutes, and as you can see, when that comes out, look how good does that look. Oh, yum. And that rice has got so much flavor to it, believe me, and it really gives you a different type of flavor. Alright, I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. All you do is serve up your rice on the bottom, chicken on top. We'll serve that up with a little bit of salad and tzatziki. You can watch how to make tzatziki on this channel, and I'm just going to use a pre-bought one. Alright, once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. It gives me a nice warm feeling down in the heart. Alright, if you want to learn how to make nice easy dishes just like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat this one pan Greek style chicken and rice, and I will catch you next time. Bye.